Good morning students, this is your geography lesson. Students, as you know that we have started unit 9 industrial development, secondary and tertiary industries. And in the previous lesson we discussed about secondary industry and factors influencing industrial location. Today in this lesson we will discuss principal factory industries in Pakistan. So we start our lesson. Dear students, at the time of partition 1947, the industrial sector had a negligible base in Pakistan. The infrastructure facility was inadequate. Nevertheless, with the passage of time, the government has overcome the initial difficulties in the way of industrialization. And during the last 62 years, the country has undergone a structural change from a purely agrarian economy to a semi-industrial one. Pakistan is now almost self-sufficient in most of the consumer goods industries. While work on developing heavy industries like iron and steel, chemical, shipbuilding, fertilizers, pharmaceutical, etc., is fairly in advanced state. And the development of major industries is reviewed as under, we can say, there are cotton, textile industry, and after cotton we can say woolen industry, vegetable and cooking oil industry, jute industry, Pakistan steel mills, engineering goods industry, paper and board industry, and fertilizers as well. Today we will read about cotton textile industry. Cotton industry could be termed as the backbone of Pakistan's economy. It can be considered as the backbone of Pakistan's economy. It is not only the largest industry in the country but also the greatest source of foreign exchange earning in Pakistan. It provides employment to 38% of overall labor force of the country and accounts for 27% of value addition in the manufacturing sector. This industry comprises yarn and cloth fabrics and including hosiery, knitwear, towels and ready-made garments. It uses high-speed spindles, automatic cone winder, electronic splicers and modern power looms, ensuring high-quality products. And it has been developed at various locations: Karachi, Hyderabad and Faisalabad. These centers are the main centers of the cotton textile industry. Raw cotton, cotton yarn, cotton cloth, ready-made garments are all exported to many countries as well as being consumed domestically. So if this cotton industry and textile industry is very important in the development of economic growth of Pakistan, we not only use these materials at domestic level as well as we export our things, as we export raw cotton, yarn and ready-made cloths as well. Figure 9.8 shows the weaving process that converts cotton yarn into cotton cloth. Here are factors affecting location of cotton textile industries in Pakistan. Let's have a look and read about the factors. First location is Karachi. If we talk about the location of Karachi, what are the factors affecting and suitable for the cotton textile industries in Pakistan? Sufficient labor is available from all over the country. As Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan, the people and the large number of population move to Karachi to earn money, to get a job. They are in search of job as it is a big city. So cotton textile industry can avail sufficient labor from this place. Imported machinery is saved from additional transportation cost as Karachi is located at the port. As Karachi is having a seaport, all the materials, all the goods are transported from this seaport. So if there is a textile industry developed or established, we can save additional transportation charges as it is very close and near to the seaport. If we import any machinery, we can save additional charges in this regard. No extra transport charges on export of cotton goods. If the industry is established here, it is near to seaport, as seaport is located in Karachi. So Karachi is having a seaport. We can easily export cotton goods without any extra transportation charges. A large domestic market for cotton products because cotton is the most comfortable fabric to wear in the hot and humid climate of Karachi and adjoining areas. Karachi is near sea, and due to sea, the climate remains humid and moisture remains in the environment for the whole of the year. So cotton is very comfortable and suitable fabric to wear in the hot and humid climate of Karachi and adjoining areas. So this is a large domestic market for cotton products. So Karachi is the exact location that is suitable for the cotton textile industry. This factor is also affecting the location of cotton textile industry of Pakistan. Availability of power supplied by Korangi Thermal Power Station, Karachi Nuclear Power Plant and Bin Qasim Thermal Power Station. As country has having these power stations and thermal power stations at Karachi, so availability of power is also a factor that is affecting the location of cotton textile industry. Linked to the rest of the country by an efficient transport system, availability of capital and experienced entrepreneurs. Faisalabad, another location of cotton textile industry in Pakistan is Faisalabad. Faisalabad is also known for the industrial sector It is hub of cotton industry as well, located close to the cotton belt of Punjab. As I have told you already that most of the cotton textile industries are located very close uh, to this area. Labor force available from the adjoining areas, as Faisalabad is also among the biggest cities of Pakistan. All the labor force can be availed from the nearest areas. Large local market in thickly populated province of Punjab, as Punjab is the most populated province of Pakistan, so a large number of labor can be availed from this area. Favorable government policies, e.g., for infrastructure, and other major factor that is affecting to the location of this industry in Faisalabad is that Punjab is introducing different policies for the favor of this industry as well as for the infrastructure as well. Another important location is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is also a very important city. It is located in the province of Sindh. So it has also historical importance in Pakistan. It is located in the cotton producing areas of Lower Sindh. As I have told you already that it is located in Sindh, so it is the area, it is such area where cotton production is raw cotton is producing. Large local market in Sindh. It is also a very big local market in Sindh, not far from the port of Karachi for importing machinery and exporting products, as it is in the province Sindh. So it is also located near Karachi seaport, and it is an easy access to import machinery, as we have to spend not a heavy amount to access the machinery, importing machinery, to as well as to export things. We have to spend less amount to transport goods and materials to the seaport and to take from to the to Hyderabad location. Other centers, domestic market, enjoy favorable government policies like tax holidays and other incentives. Other centers are also domestic markets, as well as they enjoy government policies like tax holidays and other incentives. So students, this is your lesson for today. Thank you for listening.